Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to make D-belts. So you'll need these D-rings. You can buy them or just get them from your old bags, and then a strip of fabric. Mine is 46 inches because I want to be a little extra today, so 46 inches long by 3 inches. And you will also need thread and a needle if you don't have a sewing machine. And then so as you can see, this flat side of the D-ring is 1 inch. So I'm just going to fold this fabric, iron it down until it is 1 inch. The width is 1 inch so that it can be able to go through these two D-rings. I do not want to use reinforcement today, but if you want to use reinforcement, you can get these ones. Pia hizi ni za bag. You can buy them somewhere. I think at these fabric shops might be having them, so you can just buy this. And this, apart from using it for reinforcement, you can also use it as a piece to make a belt. Like, you just put them. Kwanza, this one is like the standard size. It's 1 inch. So you just put it through the two D-rings. And sorry, I'm just holding my camera, that's why I'm finding it hard to use one hand. So this is the standard size. So I'll just fold my fabric mpaka ifike size ya this black strip. But if you also don't want to use this fabric, you can get this strip. Then you put it through the D-rings like this, and then you sew here, and then you basically have a belt.